Drinking warm water with rice in the morning burns 14 pounds a week. If you are struggling to lose weight and you're over 25, then you need to hear this. People are burning 2.2 pounds of fat each day as they use this rice method by adding this one ingredient to their glass every morning. I am Kristen, a 50-year-old mother of 2 and grandmother of 4. Let me show you this for a minute. I was ashamed of myself after trying and failing so many times to burn off stubborn flab until I discovered this special 10-second rice method to melt off stubborn pounds on command. You've probably heard that once you have kids, your body will never be the same. You'll have to accept the extra flab around your waist and arms, the muffin top that spills over your jeans, and the saggy skin that hangs from your belly. But what if I told you that's not true at all? What if I told you that there is an exotic rice method that can help melt away the stubborn fat in weeks without starving yourself or spending hours at the gym? Sounds too good to be true, right? That's what I thought too. Until I met my old college roommate. She looked amazing despite having 4 kids, and she was as slim and fit as she was in her 20s. I asked her what her secret was, and she told me about this rice loophole that changed her life. She said it was a simple rice drink that she made every morning using ingredients she found at her local grocery store. She claimed it electrified her metabolism back to teenage levels and flushed out toxins from her body. She said it was so easy and only took 10 seconds a day. She went from 169 to 107 in weeks and kept it off for good. I was skeptical, but I decided to give it a try. And boy, am I glad I did. Within weeks, I went from 179 to 121, just like that. I couldn't believe it. I felt like a new person. I could fit into my old jeans and dresses again, had more energy and confidence than ever before. And the best part was that everything I ate was melting right off. But don't take my word for it. My sister Olivia tried it too, and she had even better results. She was sad after her husband divorced her, saying she got too big and tubby. But thanks to this rice loophole, she went from 155 to 99 in weeks. Now, she's dating a handsome guy who works in finance, and he treats her like a queen. She's happier than ever. And you can be too if you want to discover this special rice method that can help you lose unwanted flab. Tap the blue watch now button below and watch this short video that shows you everything you need to know. But hurry, this video won't be up for long. The weight loss industry doesn't want you to know about this loophole because it will put them out of business. So watch it now before it's too late. Trust me, you won't regret it. This rice loophole is the best thing that ever happened to me and Olivia, and it can be for you too. Tap the blue watch now button below and get ready to transform your body and your life.